Hi everyone, Mark from ILC TravelOutfitters.com. Hey, we have people all the time asking us, how can I travel by car to go camping? Let's say we're going to go four-wheeling. Let's say we're going for a week up to down to Lake Powell or up to Bear Lake. Let's show you how to do that on hangers in a duffel bag. So you can take everything you need. So this way you can put a whole family in a vehicle. There's the thing we're going to try to accomplish. So let's start out with shirts. We're going to take our shirts, and we actually want to take, if we can wear shirts 2 times, that's better for us. Today we're going to pack with 4 shirts on hangers. We're going to take long sleeve shirts, place them towards the back, short sleeve shirts towards the front. We're going to go ahead and lay the arms all out so everything's nice and flat. Then we're going to take our pants. Again, my pants I usually will wear 4 times is what I'm looking for. But remember, in this case, if I take 1 pair of pants, I'm actually got a second pair that's on. I end up with 5 shirts here also. So if I could do my shirts for a total of 2 days each, that's 10 days I'm doing right here. We're going to lay this right over, fold the arms over, just like this. Then we use the hangers to help us roll the clothing together to keep it from wrinkling. So when we unpack it, it's going to be really quick. If I wanted to, I could do multiple packets like this and duffel it up there. So I could twice as much in this if we wanted to. Now, I'm going to slide this in the main part of the duffel, just like this, and it rolls into place so it just stays nice. Next up, I need my dresser drawers. So this is designed so it hangs up in your closet for you, or in your camper, or on a tree, again, wherever you're going, inside of a boat. It's double-sided. Now this is where we do a roll method, where we take a t-shirt, lay it down flat, fold it in half, fold the arms over, and roll it up. And that will give us, so we can get t-shirts out, just like this. Shorts, swimsuits, all those items go right in here. This will lay right into place for us, inside the duffel on top of our clothes. Now, let's go ahead, let's take 2 sets of shoes. This is a wet shoe, so it's more of a sandal. There's 2 of them in here. They lay in. Again, we want shoe covers so we're not getting everything dirty in here. Here's 2 single hiking shoes. And then, of course, I have a 3rd pair of shoes that are on. So again, this all just slides right inside the duffel. I'm putting up to size 12 shoes inside here. Now we'll go ahead, look at this. I don't even have to sit on it to close it. Now I'm going to go ahead, take my toiletry bag. Again, it hangs up, so no matter where I'm at, I'm keeping it away from all the bugs that are around. So again, I want to practice living out of this. It's got mesh, so it breathes. I'm not getting mildew in here. And the way I'm going to pack this is going to go on the top side of my duffel, whatever's going to be determined my top side of my duffel. So I'll lay that into the duffel area. It fits right into place. Again, you're going to find that here at Travel Outfitters, we have products that are designed for all types of travel. So you don't have to run someplace else to get all the stuff to go camping, go in car travel, items like that. On the bottom side of your duffel is where we go ahead and we lay in a laundry bag and a towel, microfiber towel. This thing isn't small either for the size of this. This can act as a second blanket. It can be a picnic throw. It can dry my swimsuit for me, and yet it rolls down nice and small for me and lays right into the bottom side. This also will hang up on a bush, in a boat, wherever I need it. Everything goes together here. Now this duffel I'm using today, this is by Eagle Creek. What's kind of cool here is more than just a duffel, it can also be a backpack. So here, I'm set up as a backpack. I'm set up as a duffel. Either way, look at that. Whole family inside of a car. Now to unpack, all we have to do, again, our toiletry bag comes out. We'll hang up wherever it is that we're at. These items over here on the bottom side, again, they're set up so if they get squished, they're designed to be squished. And that's my laundry bag and my towel. The rest of my items in the main compartment There's my dresser drawers, double-sided. My shoes, again, are in shoe bags that are easy to flip inside out and wash once I get home. The clothing, because we rolled it up, comes out. And now all we do is reverse our roll as we take it out. Take the legs out first, sorry, didn't do that. And here we go, it's all done. Come see us, ILC Travel Outfitters. Go online at ilctraveloutfitters.com. Let us help you out.